Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GoDaddy login problems, verification and access errors step by step clearly. First, confirm you are on the official GoDaddy website or the official GoDaddy app to avoid fake login pages. Check your internet connection by loading another trusted site. Then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Open an incognito or private browser window and try signing in again to bypass old session issues. Clear your browser cache and cookies for GoDaddy. Then restart the browser completely. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or password managers temporarily, because they can break the login page. Try a different browser, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, to rule out a browser-specific problem. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off and retry, because GoDaddy may block suspicious locations. Make sure your email or customer number is typed correctly, and remove any extra spaces before or after it. Verify that caps lock is off, and retype your password carefully instead of pasting it. If you forgot your password, click Need to find your username or password, and complete the reset process. When resetting, use a strong new password and avoid reusing old passwords that may still be rejected. If you do not receive the reset email, check spam, promotions, and all inbox filters, then search for GoDaddy. Add GoDaddy email domains to your safe sender list, then request the reset email again. If the page shows a verification error, choose to receive the code by SMS or email and try the other method if one fails. Confirm your phone number and email on file are current by opening account recovery options and updating details when prompted. If the verification code does not arrive, wait a few minutes, request a new code once, and avoid repeated rapid requests. Check that your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break verification. If you see access denied or forbidden, clear cookies again and sign in from a clean session. Restart your router or mobile network and try again to get a fresh IP address. Log in from another device, like a phone instead of a computer, to isolate device-related issues. If you recently changed your password, sign out of all sessions if the option appears, then log in again. If you use two-step verification, open your Authenticator app and ensure the correct GoDaddy entry is selected. If Authenticator codes fail, use backup codes if you save them, or start the recovery flow to reset two-step verification. Check GoDaddy's service status page to see if there is an outage affecting login or verification services. If your account appears locked, wait the stated time and avoid repeated attempts that can extend the lock. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you are using the correct account email for the specific products you need. If none of these work, contact GoDaddy support and provide the exact error message and the time it occurred. During support, be ready to verify your identity with account details to restore access safely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.